Hi, my name is Khan. This is the first video of this video course, and in this first chapter I will teach you all about trend identification, boss, chalk, and how we can mark these things. So let's switch on to the real chart. This is a cycle bearish to bullish and bullish to bearish. So when market create lower low, so it's a called bearish trend. Right here we can see when market create higher high and push higher, so this is a bullish trend and again bearish trend. So this is a simple thing. I hope you know very well about these things. So what is boss and chalk? Actually, boss is a when market break previous recent low in a bearish market, so it's called break of structure. When market going upside and break previous swing high, so it's called break of structure, as you can see here. Okay, so this is a simple thing: boss and boss, boss and boss, boss and boss. Actually, boss is a trend continuation. Okay, so next thing is here chalk. Actually, chalk is the first move of the trend reversal. This was last move. Okay, so I will not consider this one is a boss or chalk, that's why I mark cross. Okay, so first high is here, has been completely taken out and close above it. So this move is a called change of characteristic. And one more thing you have to understand, that price must be close above or below in a boss and chalk. Okay, so this rule apply in a major trend. Okay, this one is also change of characteristic is here. Okay, so when market take a reversal, okay, so first sign is a called change of characteristic, or another word you can say this is a first move when market break previous low, okay, and previous high. So this is a change of characteristic. Okay, same thing is here, like here if market push higher and break this high, so this one is a called change of characteristic. So this is a simple thing. I hope you understand what is boss and chalk. Now let's switch into the real chart, see how we can identify real structure and trend identification. Okay, now let's see. After seeing this chart, it's probably you feel like very difficult, but I will make you easy for you how we can identify them. First thing is market is a bullish. When market break the structure in any direction, right, maybe in a bearish market, okay, so market move something like this, okay, and push downside and break the structure. Okay, so this is a low and this one is a boss. So how we can identify this will be our low and maybe more this will be low. Okay, so in this case you have to mark the recent high. Okay, so in this case first high is here. Okay, once market break this high, minor recent high, okay, I'm talking about recent high between this high or low. Okay, so when market break the minor recent high, so this low has been confirmed. Okay, for example, market is a bearish, okay, and market break the structure, so this one is a break of structure. Price must be taken out the first recent high. Okay, so this one is a break of structure which is here. Okay, and when market take this high, okay, so in this case this one is a low confirm. Okay, and this high is here and low is here. Okay, so this is a scenario and this low is a confirm. If market did not break this high, okay, and market push downside, okay, so this low is not confirmed and you have to wait for break this structure. Maybe market break this structure, if market break this structure like this, okay, so this low is a confirm and this one is a pause, and this entire move will be count in a single leg, correct? So this okay. Now all right, so now let's move on the topic. Okay, so as you can see here, market break the structure. So after break the structure, we can see market take minor pullback and pushing higher. So how we can identify where is the high? Maybe here, and maybe here, and maybe here. Okay, so you have to wait for the break this low, probably break this low. So this high is a confirm. Okay, if market did not break this high upside and push downside like this, okay, so where is the recent low? Is here. Okay, so price must be taken this low to confirm is a higher high. Okay, and when market break this high, so this one is a break of structure. As you can see here, market did not break this low, and market create new structure like this, something like this. Okay, and finally market break most recent low is here like this. Okay, and now as I told you, this is a confirm high. Okay, why? Because market taken out the previous low, which is here, correct? So this high is a confirm, and we are expecting price go again higher. If price go higher, so this become our new break of structure like this. Okay, and maybe price push more downside until broken this low. Okay, if price did not break this low and push higher, okay, so this one is a valid break of structure, and this is a higher high, and this is become higher low like this. Okay, if another example, another scenario is a possible, if market did not push higher, okay, and push downside and break this low, which is here, and close below it, so this move is a called change of character. Okay, so this move is a called change of character. As you can see here, market still not break the structure, so market still is a bullish market. Okay, if market failed to hold this level and push higher, and unable to push higher and push downside, okay, so this is a called change of characteristic, because market is shift bullish to bearish now. Okay, so let's see what happened next. Okay, finally market break this structure in a downside, so this point become our change of characteristic, right? Why? Because market turn bullish to bearish, and this one is the first scenario, I mean first move, so this one is a change of characteristic. So where is the low? In this point, once market break the recent high, which is here. Okay, once market break this high, so this become our lower low, and this is our lower high. Okay, and you have to wait for it, and this become our break of structure like this. Okay, so let's see. And if market push more downside like this, so this rule will be apply same. Okay, so let's see. Market is a bearish, and some people mark in a hurry this is a low. No, actually this low is not confirmed yet until broken this high, because this is a most recent high is here, correct? If you can see here, market move something like this, so this high has been taken out, must be taken out to confirm this low, right? So when market taken out this high, so this low has been confirmed now. Okay, so let's see. Market take this high. Okay, one more thing I wanna add here. In this case, price must be I mean, in this case, price don't need to close our weight, just sweep the high, so it's called also valid. Okay, so there is not no need to wait for the closing, just sweep the high, so it's valid, become lower low, right? So I will wait for it. So in this case, as you can see, price already sweep this high, so this is a lower low, right? Let's see what happened next. And now you can see this high and this low is our new range. Okay, price ranging between this range. Okay, if anything happen between this range, doesn't matter until broken this high, until broken this low, sorry, until broken this high, until broken this low, right? So when market break this low, then I would like to sell. Break this high, then I would like to buy, actually, because this one is a called change of characteristic. Okay, but even market is a bearish. Okay, because market already shift into bearish, so I would like to probably sell. I'm more interested in sell. Okay, so let's see what happened next. It doesn't matter that market break this structure, because these are internal range. Okay, so I have to wait for it. Once market break this low, so this one is called pause. Why? Now market turn into bearish, bullish to bearish. Okay, and this is a continuation. Okay, so I would like to wait for it. Let's see what happened next. Okay, now you can see here price cleanly break this low and close below it. Okay, so this become our lower high. Why? This one, let's mark here to here, because in this entire range you can see this is the highest point between this high or low. So this is our lower high. Some people mark wrong structure, like here some people mark this high like, yeah, this is a lower high like this. Okay, no, this is a not correct. Actually major high is here, right? This is an internal range. Okay, and price break this low. Okay, so this high is a confirm and this low is a confirm, and this is a breakout structure. And what happened next? As you can see here, in this entire move, market already taken out this recent high. Okay, so this low is also confirmed. Okay, so market is still bearish, right? Market is still bearish. You have to wait for break the structure in a downside to take a sell entry, and entry part will be discussed in upcoming videos. So I'm just focusing on mark the structure. Okay, because if you mark the correct structure, then very highly chances your trade is going in your favor, right? Most of the traders cannot identify the actual high or low actual structure, right? So this market is a change in a first bullish, then bearish, and now going in a downside. Okay, so let's see what happened next. I would like to wait for break the structure, then we can sell. Okay, as you can see here, market break the structure, okay, and close below it. So this move is called break of structure, and lower low is here. And where is the lower high? If I mark here to here till this, so where is the highest point? Is here. Okay, so this one is our lower high, correct? So in this case, where is the most recent structure? I'm talking about minor structure. Okay, so this one. Okay, if price break this high, so this become our lower low, correct? If price did not break this high and push downside and this high, so this become our new lower low, correct? So let's see what happened next. Okay, so as you can see here, this become our lower low. Why? Because market taken out the most recent high. Okay, so now this high is a confirm, and where is the high? Which is here. Actual high is here and actual low is here. So if market range between this high or low, doesn't matter. So let's see where is going on. Okay, price completely broken in a downside, as you can see here. So this move is called our break of structure, correct? This one is our break of structure. So where is our lower high? Mark here to here. As you can see, where is the highest point? Is here. Okay, so this one is our lower high, and this is a break of structure. Okay, so now you have to wait for more confirmation to take a sell. Okay, so I will discuss in a next upcoming videos about entries. So this is a bearish trend. Okay, this is a break of structure. This is a correct and valid way to identify break of structure, identify the trend of the direction. Okay, so let's see. Okay, market still in a bearish, and now we can see this is a recent high. Okay, in this move, if market push higher, okay, if market push higher and break this high, so this become our new lower low, right? So let's see. Market trying to go higher but fail to higher, and market create new low, right? So market still not confirm that where is a lower low, right? And this is a single leg. Okay, so price must be taken out the first recent high, which is here. When market taken out this high, okay, so like this, so this become our lower low. Okay, and this is a lower high, correct? So let's see what happened. Okay, finally market taken out this high, which is here. Okay, so this become our new lower low, and where is our lower high? So still not confirmed. Maybe price go higher like this, okay, and then drop. If market break this low right here and close below it, so highest point will be between this point to this point. Okay, so this become our new lower high. Okay, so let's see what happened. Wait for the break of structure. As you can see here, market break the structure is here, right? So mark the area here to here. As you can see, this become our new lower high, correct? Some people mark this is a lower high. No, this is a not lower high. This is an internal structure between this high and low, correct? So you don't need to mark this high. Actually this is a structure. Once market break the structure, so this we confirm is a lower low, right? And then market break the structure like this, so this become our break of structure, and this become our lower low, sorry, lower high, right? So this is a not lower high. Okay, actual lower high is here because this is the highest point. Okay, so let's see. Finally, what happened here? Market create new low is here, and this become our new low. Okay, and high is here and low is here. So price must be taken out the recent high which already taken out. That's why this is a correct and valid lower low, right? So you have to wait for the break this low. So this will be called break of structure. If market break this high, okay, because this is an actual high, okay, so this will be called change of character, and we are expecting price go higher because market is a bearish, and we will expect price go looking for reversal, correct? Let's see. Okay, finally you can see here market again break the structure which is here. Okay, and this become our new lower high, mark like this, and this is the highest point. Okay, so this is our lower high, and new range is high is here and low is still not confirmed because there is no break the recent high which is here. So finally market taken out the recent high. Okay, so when market taken out the recent high, so this become our new structure. And this become our break of structure. Okay, so this become our break of structure, and why? Because this high has been taken out by this move, right? So this become our lower high, this is a lower low, and push downside and again push higher. Okay, and now as you can see here, after break this structure, there is minor one more structure. I'm showing you here. After take this low, price close below it, so this is a break of structure. Market again push higher and taking out the minor recent high. Okay, and this become our new lower low, and this become our new lower high, and again market break the structure. So this is our break of structure. So now where is our recent high to taken out, must be taken out before go downside? So this is our first, okay, because price moving something like this, so price must be taken out this high, and then we expecting price go again downside. Okay, so let's see. Okay, as you can see here, market taken out this high, and this become our new lower low, and this become our new lower high, correct? And if price again close below it, so this will be called break of structure. Price close below it, and this one is called break of structure. And now you can see our most recent structure is here, and this is an internal structure like this. Okay, so if price close, taken out this high, so this will be our low, this will be called our new lower low. Okay, if not and create a new low, so you have to wait for it. Okay, finally market push more downside. Okay, now you can see market taken out the minor structure is here. Okay, and this is a single leg, entire is a single leg, correct, and like this, and market take this high. Okay, so this become our confirm low, which is here, and high is here. So between this high or low range is here, correct. So if market must be wanna change bearish to bullish, so must be taken out this high. Okay, because actual high is here, not here and here. These are internal structure between this high or low. Okay, if market break this low and close below it, so it's also called break of structure. Let's see. Okay, finally market break this low, so this is also known as break of structure. Okay, and this one is our lower high, correct. So this is our lower high, because this is point is a highest point before break this low, right. Let's see what happened next. Okay, now as you can see here also, this is also is a lower low and high is here. Okay, why low is confirmed? Because it's take the recent high. Okay, and if price wanna change, so must we break this high and close above it. If price did not close above it, just sweep this high, so it's not count as a structure. Okay, it's called sweep of the liquidity, like just sweep the liquidity and close below it, so it's not change of characteristic. Okay, price must be close above it. If price close above it, so this one is called change of characteristic, sorry, change of character. Okay, now let's see what happened next. I think it's broken. Yes, it's broken and close above it, so this move is called change of character, choke. Okay, now after a long time market bearish to switch bullish. Okay, this one is the first indication of the bullish, right, and this move is known as cross. Okay, and market shift bearish to bullish. Okay, so let's see, and high is still not confirmed yet. Okay, now high is confirmed. Why? Where? This one. Why I did not here and here still broke this high? So why I did not? Because sorry, so first high is here, higher high is here, correct, and lower, sorry, higher low is here. So first high, higher high is here, and this one is a first higher low, right. Why this one? Because you can see here market move something like this, and then market break the minor recent low, okay, and then push higher, okay, and again break this previous low like this and trying to go higher. So this indication is here, this one is confirm, right? And this move is called break of structure, correct? Why? Because market turned bearish to bullish and now market pushing upside. Now market is a continuation, okay? And here you can see this is a bullish, this is a higher high, okay, and this is a lower low. Why? Because market take the previous low, correct? So this is a boss and this is a high, and this high, sorry, higher, this higher low is not confirmed yet. Why? Because market did not break the structure. If market break the structure, so this higher low is a confirm. Let's see. Okay, finally market break the structure, so this one is a called break of structure, correct? And this one is a higher low. Let's see. Sorry. Okay, finally what happened here? Now you can see here market break the major low, which is here, okay? Major low has been broken in a downside, so this one is a called change of characters, change of character, which is here, okay? And high is here, correct? So this is a change of character and price trying to go again in a downside. We can see some bullish pullback upside and then looking for another drop in a downside, okay? So price must be taken out the first recent high, which is here, which is already taken out. So this is a confirm lower low, okay? And this is a high, okay? So if market break this structure in a downside, so this one is a called break of structure, right? If market break this structure, so this one is a called change of character, right? So I'm expecting price break this low and close below it, so it's a called break of structure. Let's see. Okay, completely broken in a downside, and this one is a called break of structure, and we can see this move is a called lower high, and now we are shifting bullish to bearish, and this is a boss, and again this one is our minor high, okay, minor structure. If market break this high, so this one is a called lower low. Let's see. Okay, finally break this low, correct? So this move is a known as like this, correct? So this is a lower low and this is a lower high, okay? Because in this case you can see here clearly this move was highest point, okay? And some people say why not this one? Because this move is responsible for this boss, okay? So this move is responsible for this move, and this move is responsible for this move, because this is an internal structure between this high or low, right? So this one is also called break of structure, okay? So in this case we can see there is no minor structure, okay? So price must be taken this low minor structure and then go higher, and this something like this, or maybe market take sweep this high and push downside, okay? So both scenario will be valid, so I would like to wait for it. Let's see. Okay, so price break this low, right here. Okay, and this is a still break of structure, and this is a single leg, still single leg. Okay, and let's see. Oh, okay, now this point is a confirm here. Why? Because it's because recent structure is here. Okay, so it took a recent structure here, and this is a confirm lower low, and high is here. Okay, not here. Why? Because there is no minor structure. This is a minor move. Okay, there is no internal structure between this high and this low, right? So this is a single move like this. So this has been taken out, so this become our new confirm low, right? So high is here. So let's see what happened next. Yeah, very interesting thing. As you can see here, market did not break the structure. Okay, so our range is here and here. Okay, so lot of people get confused between this high or low, and this move is called like market is a shift bearish to bullish, and they would like to buy here, on here and here. I will show you in an upcoming topic, in an upcoming chapter, that how people get trapped here. Okay, they buy here on demand zone order block. Okay, so this move is called fake pause also, but fake pause is known as different type of situation. Okay, so there is a lot of people get trapped here, and some people trap here and some people trap here to mark this is a break of structure. But you know that how we can identify the true break of structure, true market structure, right? So you don't need to worry that where is market going on, up or down, because you are following the structure, you are following the rule. High is here and low is here. If market move between this high or low doesn't matter. As I mentioned in earlier, if market move between this high or low doesn't matter. We are interested if market break this high, okay, or break this low, okay, because these are both our measure point, measure high or low, correct? This is a lower low and this is a lower high, and this low is confirmed because this took a recent high, and here is no lower high confirmed yet. Why? Because market did not break the structure, measure structure. Okay, so I would like to wait for it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, finally break the structure. Now this one is called break of structure, right? And now take the high. Which one is a correct high? So as you can see here, this high is the highest point, so I will mark this is a higher lower high, correct? This is a lower low and this is a lower high. Okay, so same thing is here. Now let's see. Okay, and now you can see minor structure has been taken out, and this become our lower low, correct? If market break this low, so it's called break of structure, and higher is here, lower high is here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, market break the structure which is here, and this point become our lower high, and these thing work continue in a downside, and same rule will be applied in a different time frame, every time frame, doesn't matter which time frame you are looking, it work in every time frame. And this is a rule to mark the correct structure, mark the correct break of structure and change of character. Even lot of people get confused between these range, this move, but you know that how I mark, and now same thing you can do it. Okay, so don't be confused, apply same rule. Actually my English is not very well, my English is not primary language, that's why I can't speak fluently, but please try to understand me that what I'm trying to say, it's matter. Okay, so this is a correct and valid way to mark any structure, right? As you can see here, even every single candlestick, I mark every point, everything in a details. I know you have learned a lot of things, right? So in this chapter, it's enough to take to take boss and chalk is I think it's clear to you, and it's to take a few time to understand thing, because once you backtest on a chart, then you can see difference between B and other, right? So all right guys, all right, thanks for watching and see you in a next chapter.